Hi, in this video I will create a Google Analytics 4 report to check the duplicate purchase transactions, or in other words, if your Google Analytics setup is working properly or not. To create the Google Analytics 4 report, you need to go to your exploration section of your Google Analytics 4 account. Let's go to exploration section and create a new record from scratch. To create it, just click on the blank and it will take you in the report section. This is a free form type report, and to create the report you need to add dimension and matrix. Just click on the plus icon of the dimension and search for transaction ID. This one we need for dimension. Click on it, check it, and click on the confirm. And now we'll add it to matrix. So click on the plus icon of the matrix and type purchase. Let's select the purchases and purchase value and confirm. Now you can either double click on the dimension or matrix, or just in the row section just click on it and select the transaction. It will be selected transaction as a dimension. And you can also in the just scroll down and to add the matrix, click on the value and you will see the matrix, or you can double click on the purchase will be added. And you can also by select the purchase revenue by click on it. Okay, here you will see only 10 transaction ID, 10 rows. So if we want to see more rows, just under the show rows select the drop down and select the 100. It will show you more rows. Let's sort it by revenue, purchase revenue. Click on it, it will sort by revenue, ascending order. So now you can see all the transaction ID and the purchases and their purchase value. Ideally, every purchase ID should have only one purchase and the purchase value. If you see more than one, that means that transaction ID is duplicated. Here there is an example of this. This transaction ID has been counted more than once. That means this is a duplicate. And any other transaction ID, everything is counted once. That means everything is okay. So with this report, you can easily identify if your transaction is counting, the purchase is counting more than once or not. You can also identify a specific transaction value by filtering the report. To filter it, just scroll down in the filter section, just click on it and add the transaction ID equals or contains any one you can choose, like let's say contains or equals exactly message. If you have any transaction ID, specific transaction ID, if you want to, like for example, you want to see this only, just copy it. Okay, and let's see and apply it. You can see only this specific transaction ID. So let's remove it. This is how you can create this report and easily validate your transactions or purchase tracking. And now give it this report a name. Okay, you can modify the data based on your date. You can also expand or select different dates. And this is all from my side. I hope this helps you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.